In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products using Stripe. We'll walk through creating a product inside your Stripe dashboard, setting up the pricing correctly, and getting everything ready so you can start accepting payments for your digital downloads or online services. First, open your Stripe Home dashboard and make sure you're logged into the correct account and environment. If you're just testing things out, it's a good idea to stay in the test mode so you don't process real payments by accident. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the section called Product Catalog. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of your digital products and services will live. It's essentially your central library of everything you want to sell through Stripe. Next, click the button that says Create Product. This will open a new page where you can define all the details of the digital product you're selling. Start by clicking into the name field and typing in a clear, descriptive product name. For example, something like Beginner Photography Ebook or Monthly Design Templates. Choose a name that makes sense to both you and your customers. Below that, click into the description field. Here, briefly explain what your customer is getting, mention what's included, the format of the digital product, and the main benefit. A good description helps reduce confusion and can improve conversions. Now upload a product image. Click on the upload area below the image placeholder and select a clear, high-quality image from your computer. This could be a mock-up of your ebook cover, a screenshot of your course dashboard, or a simple branded graphic. Visuals make your product look more professional and trustworthy. Next, choose a product category from the drop-down. Pick the category that best matches what you're selling, such as digital goods or services. This helps keep your account organized and can help with reporting later. Under the pricing section, decide whether this product will be a one-off purchase or a recurring subscription. For a single digital download, choose one-off. For memberships, courses with ongoing access, or recurring content, choose recurring. Then click into the amount field and enter the price you want to charge. Make sure it reflects the value of your digital product. Use the currency drop-down to select which currency you want to charge in based on where most of your customers are located. Under Include tax in price, decide if your listed price already includes tax or if tax should be added on top at checkout. This depends on how you handle taxes in your business and your local regulations. If you selected recurring pricing, choose a billing period from the drop-down, such as monthly or yearly. Pick the interval that makes the most sense for your offer. When you're happy with all the details, scroll down and click Add Product. Stripe will save everything, and your digital product is now set up and ready to be connected to your checkout flows or payment links.